Welcome guys. As you can see in our Gantt chart, we have this red and green, and if we add some actual, then we will get blue color. But if for some reason we need to change these colors for different activities, we can do it by applying activity codes and later on just change the color of this bar. Let's see how to do it. First, let's go to Enterprise, Activity Codes. Okay, to add new one, we need to go to modify. You can do it on global level, EPS level, but I am going for project level because this is just a practice video. Add outsource, because we are going to do some activities from outsource contractor. Close. Now add here code, any code, outsource, let's say outsource by a contractor ABC. You can name the exact name of contractor. Now close. Here let's say we are going to outsource over superstructure. Now come here in codes. If you don't see this tab here, then simply customize from here. Like this, double click and double click. Okay. Now here assign. We will go at, because we have our activity codes on project level, so we need to select project. Okay, and now underground utilities we are also going to outsource from the same contractor, or you can add any other if you like. Now we got these two, and this is green and superstructure is red. Now to change the color of these one so it's visible on a Gantt chart for any other person to understand, go to bars. Here we need to add another bar, name it outsource, or any name you can say. It's current bar. Which color we want, we can select any color, or we can go for custom color as well. If you have code, just put that code here and you can choose that color. Okay, I want this color for these activities, and shift down whichever color, because it has two colors. Now it will be red and green, sorry, red and this color. So if you want to prefer red, then place it above red, but if you want to prefer this color, then drop it down, shift down. Okay, red is up here and green is here. Now it's okay, we will get this color for both of those activities. Apply. No, first we need to select how all activities, but we don't want to put this color on all activities, so we will change. Okay, I have a filter, or you can add a new one, name it outsource. Here we will find outsource, we got it here, is under contractor ABC, selected. Now okay, apply, okay, apply, okay. If you see, we got this color. Now if you got some change order or any EOT event which you want to display here, then we will do, let's say we got an EOT event here. We'll add EOT 1. Let's say this is first, finish, and assign, no, relationship It's after this one, and it will go up to testing and commissioning. And there is another EOT event which we got here. You can put here change order, EOT event, or anything you got later on. EOT2 finish here this, and it will go till the end. Punch list. Close. Now to get different colors, we need to apply activity codes, and later on we will go for this bar color. Activity codes. Here we need to add. It's EOT events or extension of time. Close. Now EOT1 codes apply project EOT events, or you can filter and apply at once if you have a lot of events or lot of activities. Because I only have two, so I will assign directly one by one, no issue. Now to get color, bar, same bars, add new EOT color. I will select, no, I cannot select red because it's for critical. I will select this one. Let's see what kind of color we will get. Drop it down. Now it's not all activities, we need to filter out these EOT events. For this, let's add a new one. EOT here in outsource we have events. Okay, apply okay, apply okay. So you see here, yeah, you can see it clearly. This is almost colorless. So in that way you can get colors, and later on make sure to save this layout. Save as this bar colors. Save. Because if you open any other project, let's say if I have this project, where is start date? 11. Here you will see all are white. So make sure to change the layout as per your plans. Okay guys, thank you. If you have any question, please comment below, and if you can, please subscribe. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.